All right. Good morning, everyone. It is 6:30 exactly, Friday, June 24th. I just had some coffee. I got more. I'm going to heat up in a little bit. I'm going to pack up. And I got a 1,400-foot climb to the top of Spruce Knob and back to my truck. I'm still waking up. I'm going to skip the oatmeal and rely solely on Lara bars, energy drinks, energy gels to give me the calories I need to get up that damn mountain. But I'm looking forward to it. Hopefully I'm going to get a burger somewhere, visit Still Hollow Spirits, which is a local distillery, and I'm going to find a motel to spend the night at so I can get a nice early leisurely drive home tomorrow with a good night's rest. That's it. It's been an awesome trip. All right, it's 7:50 a.m. Friday. I'm heading up Spruce Knob. My pack's feeling good. There's some campers over in that direction. I know it's hard to see in the video, but they've been burning trash for the last half hour. It smells disgusting. White trash is what they are. I'm sorry, you know what? But I prayed this morning. I pray every day. And I'm praying for quick and light steps to the summit of Spruce Knob. All right, touch base later. Judy Springs Trail in the morning. Allegheny Mountain. Not all of it. Been up and down across that mountain. Several different areas all across it. It's a really cool mountain. It doesn't look like much, but it's nice. And it's beautiful out. All right, it's about 8:20 in the morning. I'm still on Judy Springs Trail, slowly going uphill. But I wanted to pan Allegheny Mountain because it was a big landmark for me in this trip. So I'm panning to the north now. There's a logging road all along the top of that ridge. The Allegheny Mountain Trail follows the ridge for 12.8 miles. Doesn't look real spectacular, but it's got some nice backpacking, some awesome camping, and Judy Springs Meadow is pretty nice too. All right, good morning. It's, I don't know, approaching 10 o'clock, I'm guessing, pretty close. But I just got onto the Huckleberry Trail after leaving Judy Springs around 7:45 this morning. And I got about 3.5, 4 miles to my truck on the summit. And one thing I realized, I was kind of fretting this morning and yesterday, oh my God, I got this big uphill climb. You know what, there are easy sections. And I only got about 500 more feet of elevation to go. So I'm like 4,300 right now. But the other thing I was thinking about, just to realize a little while ago, is I can say that I've actually hiked to the summit of Spruce Knob, not just drove up it in my vehicle, which I've always done before. I hiked from Judy Springs all the way to the summit, and that's a 4,000 footer. And that's awesome. 4863, something like that. But it's an absolutely glorious day. The temperature is 60 degrees right now. I'm so glad I left early. Hiking through some of those meadows on Judy Springs Trail, the sun was blinding. And I need to get prescription sunglasses because regular sunglasses are not going to do me any good. All right, hike on, hike up. Stay focused and disciplined. All right. Judy Springs back to Spruce Knob. 8 a.m. to 11:30. 3.5 hours, 5.75 miles. That's good for me. Really, really good. Yeah. I am going to chillax today. I'm going to stop at Still Hollow Spirits, and I'm going to find a place to spend the night. And I'm going to go pick up my belongings that I cached and go from there. And I'm just going to fucking have a glorious fucking Friday. So stoked. This trip was... I followed my plan to the letter. And the weather was great. One thunderstorm Wednesday night while I was in my tent. Big frickin' deal. Awesome.